Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Design Dynasty. Today we're checking out one of the coolest new features in the Photoshop Beta 2025 July update, the Harmonize AI tool. This thing is like magic for blending objects into scenes. Let's dive in. Ever dropped an object into a photo and thought, this looks fake? Harmonize fixes that. It automatically adjusts lighting, color, and shadows to make any pasted object look like it belongs in the scene. No more manual color grading or dodging burning. Let's test it. You can remove the background or make a selection of the object from the contextual taskbar. Select the layer with the object you want to add to your background scene. Make sure layer with the added object sits above the background layer in layer order. Copy and paste your object. Use the Move tool to position the added object where you want it to appear in your background scene. With the pixel layer selected, select Harmonize from the contextual taskbar. Watch the AI analyze the scene. Choose from the 3 variations generated. Variations appear in the Properties panel. Harmonize is a game changer for compositing. Try it in the Photoshop Beta 2025 and let me know your wildest blends in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Happy Photoshopping!